Once you've built your walls, what you'll then need to do is test your game out just to make sure it still loads. Now, at this moment in time, your player is going to be able to go through the walls, but we are going to sort that out in a moment. So in order to create a collision, what you're going to do is double click on the O player, and we're going to add another event, and this time we're going to go to a collision with the object or wall. And what we're going to do is we're going to say when you collide, we're going to use a jump tool. So you can see you've got jump to start, a jump to point, and all I'm going to do is put 0, 0 in here. Now what this will do is, once you've added a code block in, once we move, you can see it's jumping to that. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this relative. So what this does is it basically makes it relative to the point of collision, like that. So now when we hit the wall, all we're going to do is we're going to stop, and we can basically then no longer go through. So what it means is we can now exit our, we can't exit our game rather. So as you can see, we can go around, and what I would advise you to do then is test your maze. Just make sure that you can make it around all of your walls, and to make sure that you can reach any little areas, because you might want to hide certain things in here, certain pickups. So you need to make sure that your player can go around each part of your maze.